Hi, my name is Lisa Henderson, and I'm going to discuss the 3 key concepts that I learned in this course of Health Informatics. Healthcare technology and information management is a rapidly advancing field. Before this class began, I felt like I had a fairly decent grasp of what informatics was in healthcare. However, this course has greatly broadened my view and made me realize how little I did know and how much more there is to learn. Technology is continuing to change how nursing care is delivered. When I think about the workflow process of any unit in the hospital, technology is completely integrated. From documentation to monitoring to communication, very little of our nursing care is done without technology. The use of this technology has provided an incredible amount of data. The first concept this course taught me about is how each nurse leader should be familiar with nursing data analysis. This is the process of capturing data, either from free text narratives or using data mining techniques searching for pattern recognition that can provide data analysis to support shareable nursing quality for quality improvement and practice support across the care continuum. Nurse leaders should adopt a data gathering and analyzing practice for new knowledge in this age of technology. As we continue to add and upgrade technology, keeping data analysis and their uses in our planning and implementation will make future analysis easier. Another key concept related to healthcare information technology is the need for the nurse leader's ongoing education and competencies on informatics. As nurse leaders, we are familiar with nurse competencies, which are related to nursing care. However, there is clearly a need to incorporate the technology aspect into our competencies, especially for nurse leaders. Nurse leaders will need to understand and utilize informatics to both enhance and support their organization's practice. These skills required by the nurse leader necessitate specific nurse informatics competencies to help identify gaps and solutions to enhance nursing care delivery. Finally, nurse leaders should be familiar with the concept of interoperability. I did not know that's what it was called before this course began. But as new technology platforms and their use continue to grow, the integration for shared data and collection will be necessary to support accurate data analysis. In the early phases of electronic health records, we concentrated on finding the best flow for accurate documentation. But we now realize there is tremendous knowledge within this documentation, and we need to build ways for us to extract it and make it meaningful. Beyond extraction from a single electronic health record, we have a need for technology to work together and enhance data information by their connection. Nurse leaders will need data analytical skills to understand these large databases. Navigating and understanding data to ensure it is both accurate and comprehensive will be important skills for nurse leaders with information management. The Interoperability Standards Advisory provides a mode for identifying, assessing, and implementing interoperability standards. I found this to be very interesting as these guidelines help organizations implement standards recommended by the Office of the National Coordinator for Health Information Technology and to meet their interoperability needs. This guidance and these standards are very helpful as we try to connect technology across the healthcare continuum. Healthcare technology is the reality of today and the foundation of tomorrow. Data analysis can provide knowledge to support practice as well as discover new ways to meet patient quality outcomes and organizational strategic goals. I found there was a lot of helpful information on the Health Services Research Information website, which was interesting to me as it provided healthcare information management resources, including education, training, guidelines, legislation, and much more. In the future, I would like to take an active role to work with our business analysts to understand how data analysis can improve our current work process, flow, and increase productivity within our unit. Pulling accurate and comprehensive data from our current EHR will benefit and support future process trials, giving validity to continuing or discontinuing new initiatives based on their effectiveness. Incorporating data extraction and support from the beginning of initiative implementation all the way through the evaluation period will provide an objective viewpoint to base future decisions on. There's a lot to learn in the world of healthcare informatics, and I'm excited to be part of healthcare at this time. Thank you.